Wagwan people, wagwan. Today, seen by title, something different, you see me? Yeah. As you know, at Christmas time I know. Today, I day before go market. You see me? I'm not sure when I'm there. Maybe on Christmas day or on Grand Market day. I'm not sure when you not see it, you see me? Because I already have a video for job. Right? So I'm gonna make a jerk one, as in the title. Right? I'm gonna say I take on along the journey with me. You see me? I don't have everything, but I have to make a jerk one. Right? So even if it like 80% complete or 90% complete, I make you can use. You see me? One thing I have, right? I have the diamond grill, the diamond mesh thing. Yeah, I have that. So if anything, I make two link, and if I can't get none, I go use the grill come in the oven, the stove. Yeah, as you see, a long sleeve house shirt because cut the drum with the sander, palm grinder or grinder, whichever you call it. You see me? I leave on the screen, so all you don't know it, we see what I talk. You see me? So yeah, I don't know when I cut enough fire spark and all that, and I can make it burn from and all that and put something all, something a long sleeve. Yeah man. So I get straight in the video right about now. So I'm taking along the journey with me making a jerk pan and all that. And I want your chicken, so that's the man make a jerk pan. And the whole complete was between jerking the chicken and all that now shown, but not in the video. You see me? Yeah. So I film the Christmas dinner. So maybe I not film everything, but I'm showing you how to go and see him here. You see me? From making the brine for the jerk chicken, everything. So look over that guys. For the IG 876 and the Asta Adventures. The two links we page them in the description, so scroll down, click it and give me a follow. You see me? Guys, I want to share it, share the video guys, share it out, let me grow. But at 90 sub now, I'm going to reach 1K by next month 10, you see me, which is January. So let me grow. As I always say, if I turn on the soul, take it in phone and subscribe, you see me? Yeah, let me grow. So I'm soon come back. Alright guys, so this is everything I'm gonna use, right? A square. So the palm grinder here, a grinder, yeah. I take out a blade here, the blade of cut wood. You see me? I'm put on this blade. Yeah. A smaller one there, but I have a smaller one right now. So I feel it's a big one. So take out the blade here, put on this, mark the drum, and cut out the drum. I'm showing the drum now. Yeah. So this is the drum I'm gonna use. Make a jerk pan. So I'm gonna take off the grill. So I'm gonna take off the blade. Off of the pan grinder now. Yeah. So I'm soon checking back on guys. Alright now, so I'm gonna take off the blade here. Put on this now. It's a cut metal. This have a cut wood, a board. Yeah. So now go cut the drum now. Cause as you see, I get it mark out. Alright, so I'm gonna get this cut now. I don't know if you see down here. Yeah. So cut right here. We put on, protection. Using it for an eye. We Jamaicans don't like protection, Alright guys, so see? And see the other one here. So I get the inches now. Alright guys, them edge here, I'm gonna cut them. As it. See? I'll put the inches first and then we just cut them off. Alright guys, so we did make the jerk pan here earlier night here, right? Basically small one, only can you good just hold one chicken. I did make it just feel like when I go like rivers and beach side and so we can bring a small little jerk pan with me, you see me? Because I don't know so many get much person there. So I just screw off the inches half it and bury it one. So I must bury them. So I'm soon looking back. Alright, so I go on here now. Later on, we just get back inches, put on back on this. I have inches in the butt. Where to find them right now. You know, sometimes something man, when you want it you can't find it, and when you don't want it you find it. Yeah man, so that's the case right about now. So later on I just get back inches and then buck up back inches, then I just take up back one and put it on back on this. You see me? Yeah. Right now that jerk pan is more important now than this. Yeah, because this can't hold much. So this will go right there, and this will go right here. Yeah, so I'm gonna just screw it down for the time being. You see me? How my father will, and next time make it well them on. But right now I need to get it up and running. Like no. So I'm gonna just use them screw here, get him back somewhere. Use this. The card left drill here and just screw it down. So we need to get back. Get in somewhere then screw here. So I'm sorry for some more. More at least 4 more. So 4 to each inches. Yeah. So I'm gonna do one right here so and one right here so, right? Just hold in place until the armature screw them. So we get back to screw now I'm gonna put back one or so. And you see me? Yeah, cause I don't know how 4 me have. So just boom and the inches now come so boom. Yeah. It's good now when you can help yourself in the car very funny, you know. You'll have 10 grand between 6 to 10 grand. You see me? Make a jerk pan. Alright, eat that. So put the other one now. So screw on this, them link to the back. Alright, so I go on here now. So I get screw them to one 2 for you so and 2 for you so. You see me? 4 more. But I can cut off the edge of them, you know. Now like how them 2 screw here. Hold it together. So but first see me can find 4 more screw. I can't find no more screw now guys. But them here can hold it, you know. But you want more screw in it, you see me? But we need the jerk pan to finish like today, the latest tomorrow, which is Grand Market Day, because I don't know if it's at that Christmas and and them thing they bake all that come so I want to jerk pan. Maybe jerk pan up and running. Yeah, so as I was saying earlier, I now have the diamond grill, diamond mesh thing. Yeah. So if anything, I'll get in I use my take out the grill out of my stove, out of mother stove and use it just temporarily. You see, but I like the diamond grill because it's smaller and chicken them out of chop through. The oven grill, I believe the chicken them we chop through. So if I like to use, that's what I use. You see me? So I'm so sorry to work. Oh guys, and I get something right here, so an angle. Try to find something I can use as an angle. You see me? What I'm gonna do now, I just get the steel and bend it. So a piece comes so, then it comes so, come back down so and go so. And they just, well, you see me? But now really now gone right about now, so I have to get something to use. For the time being, I'm just, you know? Yeah, I don't think it's easy to pull, so we can go and do something for the time being. Sorry, now we need to cut off right here and right here, so. And mark a line with the pencil, come right around to this. Yeah, and cut it right here like so. And then this basically finish. Then we get 2 pieces of steel or 3 pieces of steel to run inside it. But for now, mark this cut here so, and circle back. Alright, so I'm going now. Yeah, and I use this now, but if it's small stand still, you know, the small pan grinder. Yeah, so if anything, I try to put it on the big one. You must can fit on it, you know. Yeah, so because this now after rub off, rub this right here, so yeah, rub all of my cut, rub off all the sharp edges right now. Look how this cut now, very sharp, very sharp. See, look right here, so. Yeah, so when I use this now, rub off all of my cut, rub off all sharp spot, and it don't know, right? Don't know cut out like this. Yeah, and I steal them now. I steal the across like this, I know. And I put one right here, so one in the middle, and one at the end here. Yeah. So, but it definitely want a next one, right, so guys. Really want it. Let me show you something. You see it? Yeah, man, I really want it. So, I have to start out that. For the brisket I done, people, 50% complete. I don't know the first one is one there too, so. Yeah, put this up and rub it down and put in the steel and cut it right there, so. And the part that basically I don't know. Guys, simple in the steel and the cheap the steel, but the one well in, right? And cut them and fit them in, right? As I was saying, on this stand, I have the steel to make right now. You see me? Some need a length of steel, right? I still can use them, but I cannot use what is not mine. You see me? So I could just put it on a job for the time being. You see me? Because I need to get it up and running for Christmas. You see me? This now can do a thing, right? What you think I have to do? Get the steel and tacky in. You see me? Rub down edges them cut. Yeah. And cut out a little vent hole down at the bottom. Right here, so I'm good. You see me? Yeah. And we need to get 2 more. We need to get 2 more screw 3 inches. It's very sad. Can I lift up? Yeah, man. But yeah, man, this can use as is right about now. So that video now, a Thursday I film this, so I film this now Thursday tomorrow I go market. I already drop a video this morning, so if anything, I drop it the next day, or I'm just edit it now and throw up it now. Like how it's not a cooking video. You see me? So that I do, you know. I edit it now and drop it up a little more. You see me? So yeah, I have a drip on Christmas, guys. So I'm going to cut out the front tool right here, so, and rub it down, and then I show them how I go on. If this here can hold on the big pan grinder, it can hold on it. The front I just use something and scrape off most of the sharp edges for now. But yeah, if you come back, that means alright, it's the end of the video, see me? Remember to like, comment and share and subscribe, see me? Subscribe to the channel, guys, help me grow. Share the video, share it out. Share it. I need 90 subscribers now. I need to reach 1K by next month, so I need 910 more subscribers, you see me? So help me grow. Yeah, so look more, guys.